Greetings to everyone. I am Nikola from NNWeb. Welcome to the new episode, and this is the sequel from the last one where we built this contact form here. And today we want to style it and change how it is look like. This is the new look of our contact form. But in our project, we want this fixed image because here we have just the background color and title. We will add here from Elementor and CSS to accomplish our goal. Okay, here in this tab I have a page opened with Elementor, and here from dashboard go to customizer, click on custom CSS and click here on the contact to edit the contact form. Okay, now let's go to Elementor page here, but we want to add contact, title and background. Okay, click here. Now click here to edit the column. First we want to add a color. Let me copy from another screen with transparency of B3. Okay, and we want to add a heading with text of contact me. Let's center it. Let's add a text color and change font to Ubuntu, and font size is 37 pixels. Let's add line height to get this white space top and bottom, 2.1. Click on update. Now let's here on our customizer. Again, we want to refresh it. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, click here on this contact page. Okay, this is our form, and in custom CSS, let's add one title or spacer, style for contact form. This is the comment way for commenting in CSS, and this help you to keep your organization in a top level. Okay, let's add a border radius to a specific class, but first of all we need to open the inspect element. Right click on your mouse, click on inspect element. The same procedure is on Chrome or Firefox, Safari and so on. Click here, but for better view, let's put this information here on the bottom, dock to the bottom. Okay, and now we want to find one specific class. Okay, this is I already done this tutorial and I know how this class looks like. This is Elementor element populated. If we target this class, we can change the angle for these corners. Okay, class we are going to target with period sign. Let's paste our class, open the curly brackets and type border radius 20 pixels and put a semicolon, and this is our corners right now. Okay, our next task is changing the first name style to change color, font size. Okay, now again select this arrow here, click here, and we want to find this ID NF field 13 wrap. Okay, but not a wrap, just without wrap. Wrap we are going to use just in a second. Okay, and now, but not 13. I think this is, yeah, 13 is right. But let's add another one, another word here, label. Okay, and let's open another curly brackets and type color, put a colon, and triple F is pure white. What? Oh, I made some mistake here, because the ID we are going to target with this sign, not period. Okay, this color is changed. And the best way to find what you are going to change is to activate the inspection tool and go to a whole page and find what you need. For example, in this case, this is the nf-label-field-13 with the sign for ID. Okay, we change the color and we want to change font size. Default is 18 pixels, but we need 16. Okay, and now we need to center this first name text here. Okay, let's select it again. And here we want this class, first name wrap. Let's copy it. Okay, and put a period, open the curly brackets, and type display flags. This is a very handy CSS feature. Then justify content to center. More information about these CSS properties you will find on the internet. Okay, now let's add align items to center and text align. This is property for self-explanatory property, but we need it for center text on mobile view. I forgot to mention that our form will be mobile responsive, mobile ready. Okay, and this is the first name wrap. This is the center here. Okay, next thing we need to, let me see, to make this, to change size down the width of this field. Okay, for this we need an f field dash, okay, dash field dash 13 with ID targeted. Okay, let me see where I can find this element. Okay, this here, but without wrap here. Okay, and make a width of 70%. Okay, 70%. Display flex again. Set a margin to center it, 0 auto, and put important sign, and we want to change border radius to be 10 pixels. Okay, this is our field now. Click on publish and let's go to see preview. This is looks like this is good. Okay, now what we are going to do, I think we need to change, I think, this symbol here. We want to be a white color. Let's target our symbol. Okay, this is a class Ninja Forms rig symbol. Here, let's copy this class, paste it here, and type. No, we want to be a black, not a white color. For black, I think 00000 is not 000. FFF maybe. No. Let's type black. What's wrong here? Ninja Forms rig symbol. I need a important here to override the themes rule. Now it is black. Okay, next step is changing the last name. Okay, again, let's select it. This is a NF label field 14. Okay, let's copy here, not column, put a comma here, then enter, paste it our name and change it to 14. Look here. Okay, then go to here, we have first name wrap. Okay, now we have the last name wrap. Let's copy it and put last. See? Okay, and again we need here ID 14. Oh, that's good. Okay, now we are going to change time for consulting. Okay, this is a 15. This is a very easy part, but the other parts won't be so much complicated, you know. Okay, here what we need here, this is a list multi-select wrap, I think. Let me check. Yep, this is it. A list multi-select wrap. And now we need to change this color for this text here. Okay. We need to target NF field description and add a P tag. Okay. Let's put it beneath the Ninja form symbol. And here we need to change color, white color, to set font weight to be bold, letter spacing 0.5 pixels, and padding bottom 10 pixels. Okay, let's publish and save it. Refresh our preview. See? Cool. Now, what we are going to change next, this part here. Okay, let me see what we have here. This is NF field 15. 15, I think. Okay. That's right. 15. Just wait a few seconds. And we need to change color for this text. Okay, let's put it here. Color white. Cool. This is very nice. I hope you are agree with my opinion. Let's change another label field, 16. Let's copy. Don't forget to put commas between these lines. Just follow my steps. Now we have a class, I think, email wrap. Am I right? Field wrap. Email wrap, yes. Okay. And NF field 16, but with ID. Okay. Now we want to change your message. NF label field 17. Let's add for 17. Now here, let me see, here is text area wrap. Let me copy text area. Don't forget period. Okay. And message NF field 17. 17. And let's go to save those changes. Let's go to about page, and we need this message here. And I think I know that I showed you this in my, I don't know, 2 or 3 tutorials before this one, but never mind, I will do it again. Let's go on contact, go to dashboard, then go to Ninja Forms, go to our second form, click on edit, and add a HTML text here, but click here to go to HTML settings and paste this code here. Just a second. This one. Open the P tag. Don't forget to close it. Fields marked with an asterisk are required, but we need to assign the specific class for our asterisk sign, and we are using the same class just for other asterisk. Ninja Forms rig symbol. Click on done and click on publish. Now go to here. Let's refresh it. Okay. Wait a second. Wait a few seconds again. Click on contact. Scroll down and you see our message, but we are going to change color and align for it. Okay. Let's open our custom CSS and JS. Let's select it, and this is a P paragraph. Paragraph for NF field element. But this is Ninja Forms required class for this symbol here. And in our CSS, we already have a property for it. Okay. Here and here you see black color, and your message isn't a required field. Okay, let's copy this class and put it beneath the NF field. Let's add a period, and don't forget the P tag. Okay, and what we are going to type, color FFF. Okay, now let's copy this class here to center it. Okay, and we need some space between asterisk and those words. Okay, let's add a padding, 0 for top and bottom, and 5 pixels from left and right. Okay, this is good. Click on publish to save it. And now we need to style this button, submit button. Okay, this is this is NF field 18. Okay, let's add 18. Not here, sorry. Not here. Here we want to add, but this is the NF field without label. NF field 18 wrap. This class here, let me show you. NF field 18 wrap. We are going to target this ID. We are targeted this ID and move this button to the center. Okay. Now let's copy NF field, only NF field 18, and change background color to be FFF, pure white. Color for font, for text is 78. Okay, and border radius, don't forget that, 5 pixels. You see, and we need a hover state for it. Hover. Okay, background color is 787878, and color for text is FFF. What? I forgot to put a semicolon here. Now it's okay. You see? Now let's save these changes and go to our page. Let's delete this in the toolbar. In our address bar, let's go on contact. Okay, let's activate inspect element and see how our forms look like on mobile, iPhone 6, 7 or 8. This is other models. Our font types here. Okay. Not bad, but we need to make this width larger one to stretch this out. And for that, we need to add a media query. Media only screen and max width 600 pixels. Okay, and that means if the screen size is larger than 600 pixels, the property for certain IDs or classes will looks like different. Okay, let's add our IDs for fields. Let me see which one. Okay, this one. Sorry for Dropbox pop-up. Okay, let's move it here. We need only this 100. Click on publish. Let's refresh. And now this is good. The next part is this text here. We want to change font size. Go here and find a field description. Okay. And let me align this. Okay. And add a font size to 12 pixels. Now what we need also, click on publish, refresh it, and this is our form. But you can put another little bit more white space here. You can do it through Elementor. Now then you can add a little bit white space here also, and here maybe some line between those two elements. And this is also the white space beneath the contact form and footer area. Okay guys, this is the end of this little long tutorial, about half hour, few minutes up or less. I hope that this tutorial is very helpful to you, to your next project. If you want, give me a thumbs up for this tutorial, spread word with your friends, colleagues. Of course, subscribe to my channel. Let me see you in another tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.